What if you could track your entire fleet around the clock, even while you're sleeping? Hey, this is Charles from Traknova, and in this video, I'll show you how I track and manage my fleet in real time from anywhere in the world. If you're running a fleet, whether that's Turo rentals, company vans, or personal cars, not knowing where your vehicles are is not just annoying, it's risky and can slow down operations. How will you know if your drivers are speeding, if renters have left the car in the correct drop-off location, or if your employees have gone for a joyride? Without real-time tracking, you will be operating your business blindly, and ultimately this is going to affect your bottom line. Thankfully, with the right software, this is totally avoidable. The Traknova platform allows you to see where every car is at any time, even down to the street. Whether your cars are in Europe, America, Asia, Africa, honestly, it doesn't matter. As long as the device has been fitted correctly and your Traknova account is active, you can track your vehicles using your phone or your laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 key features that you need to run your fleet: live tracking, trip playback, and vehicle telematics. And if you hang around to the end of the video, I'm going to let you in on a bonus feature we use on our own fleet here in the UK. So once you open the Traknova dashboard, the first thing you want to do is click the vehicle tab and then select the vehicle that you need to locate. I'm going to click this one here. Finally, you want to click on the tracking tab. This page here allows you to see the current location of your vehicle, and it will update every time your vehicle moves or turns. The tracking tab also gives you the location in text format so that you can quickly copy and paste this wherever you need. Now, if you scroll down, there's a trip playback section. This section allows you to see every trip your vehicle has made in the last year. And not only that, you can see the fuel used, the duration, and the distance that the trip covered. Once you click into the trip, you can watch the journey back step by step. As you can see here, there's also a driver score section. This score lets you know how well the car was driven. This takes into account braking, turning, and the speed throughout the trip. So whether it's 2 p.m. or 2 a.m., you can always have full visibility of your fleet when you use the Traknova platform. If we go to the Details tab, you can find all the information you need about your vehicle. You can see manufacturer information, you can see the current subscription package, and you can see identification and tracking device information. Along with that, we also have device data, so you can see things like fuel and mileage. As a fleet manager, it's important that you have all the information available to you at your fingertips so that you can make the best decisions for your business. Now, for those of you who have made it this far, as promised, I will let you know the secret feature that I personally use on my fleet here in the UK, and that is vehicle notifications. The Traknova platform gives you the ability to set up a wide range of notifications for all of your vehicles. These notifications range from speeding, ignition alerts, movement alerts, idle detection, when doors open, if the fuel is low, even if your vehicle is in an accident. So on the left hand side, you'll see that there's a key, and this key displays the different ways you can receive notifications about your vehicles. You can receive them through push notifications to your phone, through SMS, or even through email. And to activate a specific notification, locate the one you need and then click the icon until it turns golden. After that, scroll to the bottom and then hit save. Honestly, if you're managing a fleet and you're not using features like these, you're going to end up with a lot of grey hair. If you want to try out some of these features with your own vehicles, click the link in the description to book in a demo with a member of our team, where we can set up your fleet management account free of charge.